I want to congratulate you right now. Why? Because you have reached so far. You have almost completed the course over here, which I have given you for free. Now, why I'm congratulating you? Because you are actually an action taker and you became the part of only 2% people out of those who joined these courses. You know one thing? If 1,000 people join my free courses, only 2% of them complete the course and you are the one. And that is the reason I have mentioned that in the very beginning of the course, that if you complete the course, I will be giving you a surprise, a gift from my heart to you. I want to show you something. See, you are into a momentum right now. You have done a lot. You are an action taker and you have took an action and you have learned so far. You gained the knowledge. Now, what is the next step? Now, that was the basic knowledge. The knowledge that I have given into this playlist, this course was basic. With the help of the basic knowledge, if you are a freelancer, let me tell you one thing, you will be able to earn up to $40 an hour if you want to become a freelancer in Excel. I can guarantee you that, right? And if you are doing a job with the help of the basic function, you will be able to do your work in a very fast manner and very easy manner. And if you are a businessman, it will really help you to maintain your data, to analyze the data quickly. But now is the next step, is to move on to much deeper level to get really good insights of the data. And for that, I want to show you the course which I've created with my overall 10 years of experience. And it has over 13 hours of content. It's not a small course. It is a big course, right? With the help of this, if you want to become a freelancer, you'll be able to earn up to $100 per hour with the help of these advanced features of Excel. And if you're doing a job, I can guarantee you, if you know this level of Excel knowledge, which I'm going to talk about in this course, if you have that skill set, then you will get promoted also. I can guarantee you that. Because I'm a corporate trainer, I have done a lot of projects also. So I have built this course with the help of the questions people ask me over the past 10 years. And it took me more than 1 year to create this course. Also, if you are a businessman, let me tell you, you'll be able to handle your data in a very smooth and easy to use manner, right? So let me talk about the content first. Then I'll give you the surprise which I have told you. I want to give you that gift, right? Okay, so over here, this course is an in-depth Excel master course, and what all we have. So we start from the very scratch, the basics of Excel. What I've covered in the free course right now, in this free course, is not much actually, right? Because Excel is a C, and I will start from the very basic. Even with the touring of the interface, what is a workbook, what is a worksheet, all those basic things, find, replace, spell check, all those things in the first very module. Now in the second module, we'll be discussing about the formula writing part, which I've covered in this free course also, but I'll be giving you some exercise on the same. So every video in this paid course will be having an exercise along with that, along with a quiz also. So every stage, every module, you will be checking your knowledge which you have, right? And along with that, you will become the part of the community in which you can ask the question to me directly. You can send it across to me, your question, through email and through other means, and I'll be happy to answer all those questions. Now in the next module, we'll be talking about how to use the sum, count, average function with the condition. Can you see a pattern over here in this course? Along with each video, we have the exercises with us. Can you see sum ifs, and then there is an exercise on that. So in the first video, I explained that feature onto a data, and in the next, I have given you another file of Excel file in which you have to do it yourself on a different set of data. And if you are unable to do it, you can simply watch the video of the exercise file. And that is the reason it took me so much to create this course. And I'm telling you with a guarantee that you'll be getting a very immense knowledge of Excel program. You'll be earning very good bucks if you have this much knowledge of Excel, right? In the next module, we discuss about the text function in depth, where we have discussed about the data cleaning with the flash fill, the machine learning feature of Excel, text to column, and all those very amazing features of Excel. Then there is a module for the logical function, which is if, and, or, nested if, right? all those functions, the multiple if statements, very much useful in everyday's Excel work. Now lookup functionality in depth. We covered VLOOKUP, right? But we have VLOOKUP with match, nested VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, lookup, index and match, VLOOKUP with match, a lot of features of Excel, and in fact, the use of dollar signs also in detail, along with the exercise files, right? And then we have the date and time function. That's the most common problem people face while they use Excel, because they do not know how Excel reacts to a date or a time. Here I explained everything in depth into this module. Then there is an optional module we have which is related to financial functions, which is not mandatory to all of you. If you want to calculate the loans or you want to create a loan table, also such depreciation, all these can be done with the help of these features which I explained into this module. And then we have a detailed module on sort and filter. Now people face a lot of problem related to sort and filter. Basic sorting and filtering people know, but they don't know how to use the advanced filter. When they apply the filter, when they copy and paste the filter data somewhere, the hidden values also get pasted. So how to avoid it, right? And how to perform calculation on the filtered data. All such problem I have solved into this. In fact, how to copy a data and paste it only onto the filtered rows. Such common problem people face. I've explained everything. Can you see the detail of this module is not a very big topic, but I went in detail into this because the problem that people face. Can you see? Along with the exercise files also. Now we have the charts, and again it's going to be a very in-depth module because people know how to create a chart. Can you see around 25 videos on the charts? Why? Because people know how to create a chart, but they don't know which chart to use when, which data visualization tool to use when. So I explained everything over here related to the complex custom chart, also the bubble chart, waterfall chart, all those things I have explained over here. Then we have the data consolidation, how to consolidate the data. Sometimes people get different files, they need to consolidate it into a single file. How to do it, I explained it over here, right? Okay, then we have the data validation, you know, how to validate the data in advance. When you go to any web portal, there you need to put in your information. It stops you if you're not putting the correct information. For example, if you're putting your email ID and if you do not put @ symbol into it, it won't accept it. So such kind of validation can be applied into Excel. So I explained it over here in a separate module. And then we have the protection of worksheet and workbook, where I've also explained the cell level protection. Can you see the number of videos I've created only on the protection of the worksheet? Why? Because it is very much useful. When you create it, when you put in hard-earned time onto that and you send it across to someone, you should protect it in a very good manner, especially for the businessmen, also for the people who are doing a job, and also for the people who are doing a freelancing projects, because at times you should not be disclosed. And if you just protect it and send it across to your client, they should only open up, only those can be opened up by only those people who have the authority, right? So it really impresses the client also. Now there is a complete detailed module on pivot table. I've already talked about pivot table into this, right? Videos, number of videos are less into it, but these are very lengthy videos because here I've explained everything about the pivot table, the advanced part of the pivot table also. Then we have what if analysis, right? Because this is all about the forecasting technique, goal seek, what if analysis, solver, data table, all these are explained into this very much in detail. And then we have automation in Excel. Now this is all about macros. Now anything that you do on a regular basis, you can actually record it, or you can write a macro for the same so that Excel can do it for you. And that's where, as a freelancer, if you want to become a freelancer into Excel, you will be saving a lot of time, because you can create templates, and the person who is paying you $100 for an hour, you can actually do it through a macro in few seconds, and macro will do it for you, because if you have done it for someone else already, you can record a macro for the same and you'll be able to do it in few seconds. That's where you actually make money out of it. So that knowledge, that level of knowledge you would be needing. And then again, there is a bonus chapter, is something that I keep on updating. There is a huge number of videos. I'm coming up with a new video. I'm not sure that when you're watching this video, but if you go there, you'll find few more videos over here. So that's the complete detailed module we have over here into this in-depth Excel course. Now, because now is the time to share that gift with you. I've told you guys, you have reached over here. I know you are an action taker. You are into a momentum. I want you to take it to the next level. Just go inside, in depth, right? And can you see the price of the course? The price of the course is actually 5,000. And for this, I'm not sure again that when you're watching this video, right now, we have discounted the price to 50% and that's 2,500. We are selling it to 2,500 right now. But because you have reached here, I want to give you some extra discount and I want to give you this course at 2250, 2,250 rupees only for you. And for that, I'll be sharing a coupon code, and only because you have reached here, you will be having access to this. Those who have just signed up for the course and left the course at the very first video, they won't be able to get this much of discount. I want you to be the part of the community, sign up for the course, right? And I have a link which is posted just below this video. If you see, there is a link over there. Now, how to access that discount, I want to show you. It'll take you to this particular page, and if I go down, you will also notice that you will be having the complete module. And also I want to tell you one thing. Once you go over there, click on the buy now button. Okay, and now you need to put in your details over here. So I'll go to continue as a guest. You need to put in over here your name and everything. I'll just put in my name and my email ID also. Let me just put it over there. So I put in my email ID. I'm going to put my number over here also, right? And I'll click on continue. Once I'll do that, it'll take me to this place. Now I need to make the payment, but you can see the price is 5,000. You need not to pay 5,000 because you are into that 2% guy. So what you need to do, you just need to put a coupon code, and that's what you are actually, which is action taker. You are an action taker, and that's the reason I've put in the name as action taker. Just click on apply and you are good to go. You will be receiving a discount. See, can you see the price now? 2250, and just go ahead and make the payment. Payment can be made with any source, either the wallets, the online wallets, or maybe the NEFT. Any way you want, you can actually do it through this. You can simply click on make payment and you are good to go. You can just make the payment, right? And see, what I want to tell you, along with this, you are also getting one very beautiful thing, which is that you will be getting 30 days of money back guarantee. Once you sign up for the course, you will be getting that guarantee of 30 days without any question. If you didn't like the course, you can actually send it across to us and we'll refund your payment completely. We won't charge you even a single penny. But that is just to give you some support. Otherwise, it is not required. I know the kind of efforts that I've put into this course to give you that immense knowledge of Excel of my past 10 years of experience into this field. I just wanted to share this discount with you, and along with that 30 days of money back guarantee, you will be getting also course completion certificate. So you can just keep it with you. It will be very useful. You can just put it into your profile. So very useful, guys. It's quite kind of very useful. Also think about it, the kind of price which you need to pay for this kind of in-depth knowledge on Excel, through which you can earn a lot if you want to become a freelancer into Excel. If you are in a job, you will be getting promoted if you do it, right? If you are into business, you will be able to maintain your business in a very organized manner, right? Otherwise, only this much amount, what you can actually buy from this, either a pair of shoes, a watch maybe, right? Or a backpack also, a pair of jeans, or a couple of pizzas. That's it. How much that gonna last? Maybe 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, that's it. But the kind of knowledge that you are getting from this course will last throughout your life. Okay, so always try to invest in yourself. That is the best investment. What is the best investment? Investing in yourself. Be an action taker. Hit the make payment button right now, enroll for the course, and be the part of my community. I want to enhance the community of around 20,000 people by the year end 2020. I'm not sure when you are watching this video. If it is cross 2020, I believe we are already reached to that target, right? So be the part of the community. Start earning from your skill. Skill is something that you need to always acquire. Thank you so much. If you have any queries, also you can reach out to us. I'll be putting a number on the screen. Can you see the number on the screen? You can also call it on that. If you have any doubt, our team will help you out in getting that. Or you can also email us, whatever suits you. Thank you so much.